Hello everyone, I am Raji from SNS College of Technology in Department of Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning. So in my last lecture video, we have already seen about the machine learning in types, and today we are going to see about reinforcement learning. Before that, I will give the just a recall of my last lecture videos. So this is the introduction to machine learning, which has to improve the performance with experience. And in this lecture video, the main objective is to identify the characteristics of each type, and it will relate the each type with real-time applications. So this is the classifications, which has supervised, unsupervised, and reinforcement. So under supervised, we have regression and classification. Under unsupervised, we have clustering and dimension reduction algorithm, and this is the basic thing we are going to see. And the supervised learning has a labeled data, that and all we have seen in last class itself, and it has the classification and regression task. And unsupervised learning have a unlabeled data. It has a clustering and association algorithm. These two types we have seen in last class itself. So today we are going to see about what is reinforcement learning, and it is mainly defined as to the learning of models by using the rewards and penalties. So if you are training one model means it will give some positive or negative feedbacks, right? So if you have some positive feedback means we have it will gives the rewards as a positive, but if it has some negative feedback means it will rewards as a penalty. So the agent interacts with environment. So this is the basic thing of reinforcement learning. So the comparison of uh, these those three types of machine learning is, so in supervised learning, the definition of this is the machine will learn pattern by using the labeled data, and unsupervised learning is trained by using unlabeled data. Reinforcement learning has no training data set, so it will bound to learn from its own experience. So the data are labeled in supervised learning, unlabeled in unsupervised learning, and no predefined data in reinforcement learning. So data sets are by using training data in supervised learning. Unsupervised learning uses just input data set, and reinforcement learning has no predefined data. So we have two different algorithms in supervised learning, that is classification and regression. In unsupervised learning, we have clustering and dimensionality reductions, and in reinforcement learning, it is mainly for reward based. And the approaches are it maps the labeled input to the known output in supervised learning. In unsupervised learning, it understand patterns and discovered output. Excuse me. And in reinforcement learning, as it follows the trial and error methods. So this is the reinforcement learning. Models and networks are used in supervised learning are CNN, RNN, like these types of models are used in supervised learning. And unsupervised learning, they are used as a DBN, DBM, GAN, like that. Models and networks are used in unsupervised learning. And reinforcement learning has a Markov decision process. So the applications under these three learnings are image recognition, speech recognition, and pre-processes the data to pre-trained unsupervised learning algorithm, and warehouse inventory management, aircraft control, robot motion control, chess game are applications of reinforcement learning. So these are the comparison of machine learning types, and the applications are in supervised learning. It has a spam detection and prediction. Prediction means whether it is positive or negative, and spam detection is whether you have a mail, you have sent a mail as whether it is spam or not. And unsupervised learning is has a customer segmentation, and reinforcement learning has robotics and games. So these are the real time applications we are used in the types of machine learning. So next class we are going to see about a next topic. Thank you.